All right, so the next loop we're going to go over is the do while loop. Now, what makes this do while loop different from the while loop is the fact that the body will be executed once, no matter what. So even if the condition is false, it will still run at least once. So let's see this in action. So we're going to have a variable that holds 0. So I'm literally going to call the variable hold 0. And we're going to make this equal to 0. And we're going to have a do while loop. So we're going to have do first, and it's just going to hold our body of code that we want to be executed. And we're just going to have this print out, let's code. And then we're going to have the while that will hold the criteria that checks what makes this run or continue running. So we want to check if hold 0 is, not equal to 0. We know that is equal to 0, so obviously this should be false, but let's see what happens. Boom. So as you can see, it prints it out no matter what. We know that hold 0 is equal to 0, but with the do while loop, this is going to run at least once, no matter if the criteria is false. So if you just want to check something real quick, or if you want to just take a user input to check something out, this can be useful. So the do while loop, if you want your code to run at least once, to check the do while loop is perfect.